Hello and welcome to today's video. Today's daily dose of infrastructure building will include creating HSL bus line 436N, which is a nighttime bus line running from the center of Helsinki to Kalajärvi in northern Espoo via some areas in Vantaa. Let's go straight to the business and start creating the line. If I remember correctly, there is not that much to build in this line as there has been in the previous nighttime lines. There may, however, be something. So for the 36N is the line and number. The tickets cost the traditional 3.5 euros or dollars or whatever you want to use. All currencies are accepted here except the Soviet ruble, and we start from the Elielinaukio stop, then we do the traditional. We stop at Hesperian puisto, we stop at Töölön kisahalli, we stop at Kansaneläkelaitos, we stop at Töölön tulli, which is a major traffic hub, we stop at Kuusitie, and we stop at Tilkka, we stop at Ruskeasuu, and we stop at Ruskeasuun Varikko. Right. Excellent. What happens next is that we stop at the Kivihaka, at Metsäläntie, at Pirkkolantie, at Pirkkolan metsä, at Kaarelan kulku, at Raitamaantie, at Kaarelantie, at Kalannintie, and at Kappatie. Then let's see what will happen after that. Yes, correct. We stop at Vaskivuori. We stop at Ojahantie. Okay. So we do a trip through the Myyrmäki station, and this is gonna cause us some problems later on, but let's fix those problems later on. Then we stop at Ojapolku. Then we stop at Louhela station. We stop twice at Louhela station, so there, and then at Eräkuja. Probably also at Vihertie. According to this, no, but we will stop there nevertheless. Then we will stop at the Martinlaakso station, at Laajavuorentie, then at Raiviosuonmäki, Laajavuoren kuja. We would stop at Myllykiven kuja, but unfortunately we turn left in here and stop at Martinkyläntie. Oh, you can't turn left here. Well, let's fix that. There we go. That was neatly fixed. After Martinkyläntie, we will then stop at Pärisbruun puisto. And we will stop at Martinkyläntie 49, which I think I named First Center. That's right. We're also gonna stop at Riihikuja and Sarkapolku. And then we're gonna turn left. No. Where the hell are we gonna go then? Okay, so we're gonna go straight actually. Is that a possibility? That is a possibility. So we're stop at Maissikuja despite not stopping there. Then we're gonna stop at Tavaskullamäki. And then I think we're gonna stop at Okay. This is a new section, so Juvanriste is the first stop we will create. Let's see where we can find such a stop. So Juvanristi Juvakorset is located in... Wait a second. Oh yes. Juvanristi Juvakorset is located in here. And then let's go all this long way back to where we're gonna have stops. And roundabout. How nice. I do so love roundabouts. There we go, and there we go, and there we go, and I think that's it. We'll also need to move that signal a bit. As a matter of fact, I think it will just go away. Thank you. And then let's get back to adding signals to all of this road. Is it certain that there are no stops on this? There are no stops on this entire road. Well, there is nothing on this whole road, so yeah. And after Juvanristi, the following stop is called Juvankartano, Juvagordin, There we go. And after Juvankartano, we will stop at Juvanpuisto, Juvaparkin, sorry about that. After Juvan Puisto, we're gonna stop at Nikunpelto. Nikuåkern. After Nikunpelto, there is actually a one-way stop in here, which I will... Oh no, it's not a one-way stop, what the hell? So it's Juvantie, Juvavägen. There we go. After Juvantie, Juvavägen, we will then have a little longer distance and we will then stop at Niperin Koulu, which as you can see already exists in here. So now we will just have to add the roads here. There we go. And if I'm not completely mistaken, that was the last new piece of track we need to build. So, sorry, not a track, a road, of course, So let's build it and then let's see how the line runs after that. So, from whatever it was, Tavastkylantie, all the way here to Juvanristi, Juvankartano, Juvan Puisto, Nikunpelto, Juvantie, Niipperin Koulu, Niipperin Varsi, Niipperin Niitty, Antinmäki, Kallio Syrjä, Takaniipperi, and finally we will turn there to Kalajärven Keskus, which will be the terminus of the line. Excellent. Oop, no, come on, forget it. Excellent work once again by me. There we go. So build the blueprints, good lines, go to Kalajärven Keskus, and then let's go back. It's already 51 stops and 50 kilometers, so this is an extremely long line. Well, who cares? What the HSL has decided to create will be created here too, almost in full-scale realism. Not 100%, but as realistically as it gets. We're up to 55 kilometers. It's gonna be an intensive line. think this is the place where we have to skip Myyrmäki and go straight to Ojahanti. And now we would take the straight way home then. There we go. We're all set. And then let's see how often the line runs. It runs every single hour. That's right. So every single hour it shall be. I think I'm gonna need a couple of buses for this line. Sorry about that. "786" is the correct number for this Wima. And 436N is the correct line. There we go, it's bought. 2 hours 20 minutes, so we're once again gonna need 3 buses for this line. And there we go. Roads have been built, the line has been created, buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. As usual, there will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!